Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with dusty air, allergies flaring up, or just want a compact device that quietly cleans your room without taking up space, then get pumped because today we're reviewing the Dyson HushJet Purifier Compact Air Purifier. This sleek unit features fully sealed HEPA H13 filtration to capture 99.95% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, activated carbon to trap gases and odors, real-time air quality sensors with auto mode for smart purification, a quiet jet drive for low noise at just 35 decibels in night mode, app control for remote monitoring and scheduling, and a compact design perfect for bedrooms or offices up to 400 square feet. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a purifier that's powerful, discreet, and effective for personal spaces like dorms or small apartments, this is the one that'll hush your air woes. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Dyson HushJet Purifier Compact Air Purifier. This purifier has a minimalist cylindrical design in white or graphite that's small enough to sit on a nightstand or desk, blending seamlessly with modern decor. The filtration system is advanced with a 360-degree HEPA H13 filter that traps ultrafine dust, pollen, pet dander, and bacteria, plus an activated carbon layer to absorb VOCs, odors from cooking or pets, and gases like NO2. Built-in sensors monitor PM2.5, PM10, VOCs, and NO2 levels, displaying air quality on the LED ring with color codes, green for good, red for poor, and via the My Dyson app. Auto mode detects pollution and adjusts the fan speed automatically, ramping up when needed and quieting down to save energy. The jet drive acoustics make it ultra quiet, with night mode dimming the display and running at minimal noise for undisturbed sleep. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi for app control to view detailed reports, set timers, or use voice with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It's energy efficient with low power consumption, and the filter lasts up to 12 months with easy replacement. Setup is a breeze. Plug in, connect to Wi-Fi via app, and it's purifying in minutes. Priced around $200, it's compact yet powerful with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are hushed perfection, effective HEPA and carbon filtration that cleans air fast for allergy relief and odor control, smart sensors and auto mode for hands-free operation, ultra quiet 35 decibels in night mode so it won't wake you, compact size ideal for small spaces like bedrooms, app and voice control for convenient monitoring, and a stylish design that looks premium. Users rave about improved sleep, fresher rooms, and how it's perfect for apartments without overpowering noise. On the con side, limited to 400 square feet, so not for large areas. No oscillation for directed airflow only. Filter replacements add cost, though long-lasting. And no cooling fan function if you need breeze. A few mentioned the app can be slow on older phones, but overall the pros dominate for personal use. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Dyson HushJet Purifier Compact Air Purifier if you have a small space. And the pros like quiet operation, smart features, and effective filtration make sense for you. It's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or anyone wanting discreet purification. Before we wrap, if these reviews freshen your air, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helps, give it a like, share with a friend who needs clean air, or subscribe for more. See you next time.